In this video we will show you how to determine the right socket adapter for your SuperPro and SuperBOT programmer. Before we begin, please have your chip's full part number available. The complete part number makes it easy to identify the correct package type. In this video, we will determine the package type and size of the Macronix MX25L3233FZBI08G. Now that we have the chip's full part number, we'll use Google to search for it. This search will take us to the product page for the device. We typically use distributors like DigiKey, Mouser Electronics, or Arrow Electronics to review device details, download the datasheet, or find additional information about the chip. For our purposes, however, we are specifically looking to identify the chip's package type and package size. Now that we've determined our chip is an 8-pin USON package with a 4x3mm footprint, we can move on to finding the correct socket adapter for our programmer. For this demonstration, we'll show you how to find the socket adapter for the SuperPro 7500N. We'll use the SuperPro 7500N device list to determine the correct socket adapter. All of our device lists can be found on our download page. These device lists are always kept up to date, so the socket adapter information you find here will be current. Before we begin searching for the socket adapter, there's one important thing to note. We do not use the full chip part number when searching. If you paste the complete part number, the search will usually return no results. Instead, you'll need to remove characters from the end of the part number until a valid result appears. The characters you remove typically indicate temperature range, revision number, speed grade, packaging or other suffix information. Xeltek device listings only include the chip family series, the chip size. Once you reduce the part number to just those elements, you'll be able to locate the correct device and socket adapter. Now let's begin. Make sure you have the chip's part number copied to your clipboard. To copy the part number, highlight the part number. Press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Once copied, you'll be ready to begin the search. Go back to the device list, then open the search function by pressing Ctrl+F on your keyboard. Now paste the chip's part number by pressing Ctrl+V on your keyboard. Once the part number is pasted, begin deleting letters from the end of the part number until a result appears. There may be multiple results, but we need to locate the device with the USON package, 8 pins, and a 4x3mm body size. Since this device has multiple USON package versions, both body sizes will be shown. This will not be the case for most devices. If a device only has a single package option, the body size will not be listed. Now that we've identified the correct package and body size, the recommended socket adapter is GX4081. Now return to the Xeltek website to verify the socket adapter specifications and cost. GX4081 is the correct socket adapter, as it matches our package type and body size. We recommend placing your order directly through our website for faster processing. If you have any questions, please contact sales@xeltek.com.